Hi friends, welcome to my channel in the basic Vedic mathematics course. The last time what we did the concept of bar numbers or the concept of vinculums, where we have seen that how to convert a bigger digit into smaller digits by using the vinculums or the bar numbers. And that was the concepts. So today what you're going to do, we're going to use this concept into real practical applications, mathematical operations. So today we'll see that using bar numbers in applications practically. Well, the benefits, as I have already told you, that while doing operations there may be bigger digits which is difficult for operation, for calculation. So you can convert these bigger numbers into smaller numbers and make the calculation. And then we'll find that things are much more easier. So we have to vinculate certain numbers into bar numbers, convert, and then you have to devinculate or convert into normal number. That will be the process. But before I do that, because this is a concept which is very highly confusing at times, we'll make a recapitulation of what you have done in our last session while understanding the concept of the bar numbers or the vinculums. So I'll just recapitulate. When we are vinculating, means we are converting a number into a bar number, how we are doing it. How to convert a normal number into a bar number. I am giving a recapitulation. Say for example, you have to convert 67. The 7 is to be converted into a bar number. Then what do you do it? We reduce it from 10. The 7 is reduced from 10, subtracted from 10 to make it 3. And then we have to increase this 6 by 1, make it 73, and this is the number, because 73 means what? 70 minus 3, and 70 minus 3 is nothing but 67. I hope you remember it now. 67 we have reduced from 10 to make it 3. I have reduced this number by 1 and make it 73. 73 bar means 70 minus 3, and which is equal to 67. Well, if it is 89, and what we will be doing? Reduce it from 10 to make it 1, and reduce this number 8 to make it 71. And indeed, to reduce it from 7, it's 91. We increase it. While vinculating, we increase the number, don't reduce it, right? So 10 minus 9 is 1, increase it by 1, make it 91, because indeed 90 minus 1 is 89. And even the last example is 98 is equal to, here this 1 bar, 98 we'll do it, 10 minus 8 is 2, and increase this 9 by 1, make it 102, and this is the thing, the 102 is the number. And indeed you will see that 100 minus 2 is 98, right? So that is what we have done for vinculating a number. Now let us see that how to devinculate a number, what we have done earlier. Devinculating. Devinculate. Well, we devinculate, for example, the number is 8787 bar. Devinculate, again I told you, reduce it from, subtract it from 10 to make it 3, and then reduce this number, don't increase, by number 1, make it 73. And indeed, 80 minus 7 is 73, right? Then what you did, 89 bar is equal to what? 10 minus 9 is 1, 8 minus 1 is 7. 80 minus 9 is 71. 66 bar is equal to 10 minus 6 is 4, reduce this by 1, 54, and 78 bar, reduce it from 10, we get 2, reduce this 7 into 6. Here 60 minus 6 is 54. 60 minus 6, 54. 70 minus 8 is 62. So I think you have understood it, right? So you have understood recapitulated how to vinculate a number and how to devinculate a number. Now let us see how we are applying it in applications. So first you'll write what is the rule for addition. For addition we generally may not require it, but how to add two numbers with each other. One number is vinculated, another is not vinculated. How to add it? To add two vinculated numbers, what is the process? Rules for addition of bar numbers. Right? So I'll give you in general all the principles. If there is 5 plus 2, yes, you know that this is 5 plus 2 is 7. This is normal. 5 minus 2 is 3. But if there is 5 plus 2 bar, and as I told you earlier, this bar is nothing but negative number. So 2 bar means 2 negative. 5 minus 2 is 3. So 5 plus 2 bar is 3. Then 5 minus 2 bar. You can think of this is negative and this is also negative. Negative, negative plus. So 5 plus 2 is 7. Means 5 minus 2 bar is 7. I hope you understand it. Now see this side. 5 bar plus 2. Can you think of? This is negative and this is positive. So 5 minus 2 is 3 bar. Negative 5, positive 2, it gives us 3 negative or 3 bar. 5 bar minus 2. This is 5 bar, this is 2 bar, so make it 7 bar. Right? 5 bar plus 2 bar. Can you tell me? 5 bar, 2 bar, both are negative, it becomes 7 bar. But if it is 5 bar minus 2 bar, then what? 5 bar minus 2 bar, minus 2 bar, minus 2 is plus. So 5 bar plus 2 is 3 bar. So just follow this very carefully, because while applying vinculums, you will be using these things. You have to many times you have to add or you have to subtract and see. For example, if I give you a number, say 275, 27 bar 5, and add it with 2 bar, 3 2 bar 2 bar, right? Then how will you add it? Now here 5 is positive, this is negative. So it becomes 3. 5 minus 2 is 3. Here minus 7 minus 2 is what? 9 bar. Both are bar. And 2 and 3 is 5, 9, 3. Right? So 5, 9 bar 3. Right? Similarly, if I give you 8, 5 bar, 6 bar, and then there is 2, 1, 7 bar, how will you add it? See it very carefully. 6 plus 7, both are vinculated, both are bar numbers. 6 plus 7 is 13 bar. 13 bar means here it will come, 3 bar will come here. There is carry of 1 bar. 5 bar minus 1 is 4 bar, and there is already 1 bar. So 4 bar plus 1 bar, 5 bar. And 8 plus 2 is 10. So 10, 5, 3 bar. See it very carefully. Because you have to do it like this. 6 plus 7, 13 bar. Keep 3 bar here. 1 bar is carry. Out of 13 bar, 1 bar is carry. Now 5 bar minus 5 bar at plus 1 is what? You see it? 5 bar plus 1 is key. And you have to negative it. So 5 bar minus 1 is what? Is 4. And this 1 bar is 5. 4 bar plus 1 bar is 5 bar. And then 8 plus 2 is 10. So answer is 10, 5, 3. I think you have understood it. This is how we make the addition of the bar numbers. So you have to remember it very carefully. Once you practice it, things are not difficult at all. You have to do a little practice, right? Now let us do the subtraction, where we'll apply the vinculums. Subtraction applying vinculums. And here you will find that it's a very good use of vinculums in subtraction, right? Say for example, you have to reduce 8237 minus 7428. Just follow me and see the benefit of vinculum here. You do it very quickly, you can do it. 8 is negative. You cannot subtract 8 from 7 because 8 is bigger. But what you can write is 7 minus 8 is minus 1. 7 minus 8 is how much? Minus 1. And minus 1 can be written as 1 bar. 7, 8, 1 bar. 3 minus 2 is 1 normal. 4 is bigger. Minus 2, that means 2 bar. 2 minus 4 is what? Minus 2. And minus 2 is 2 bar. And then 8 minus 7 is 1. So actual number is 1, 2 bar, 1, 1 bar. Now convert, devinculate this. And you will see 10 minus 1 is 9. And devinculation, you will reduce this number by 1. So it becomes 0. Similarly here it will start from here. 10 minus 2 is 8. And 1 is reduced by 1. So it also becomes 0. So answer is 809. You will see indeed, you make a subtraction of this number 8. 7 minus 8 is 9. 1. 2, 1, 3, 0. 2 minus 4 is 8. 7 plus 1, 8. 809. What you have done, rather than calculating this, making it 10, then making it 17, then 8 minus, then making it 9 and all that, carry numbers and all that, we have just written that number in bar numbers and they have devinculated it. So just by doing that, we can make the subtraction which is becomes sometimes easier for bigger subtraction. Take for example 6989 and we have to subtract 2795. So I'll do it quickly now. 9 minus 5, 4. 8 minus 9 is 1 bar. 9 minus 2 is 7 is 2. And 6 minus 2 is 4. And devinculate it 4, 9, 1, 4. This is actually, you'll do it subtraction, you'll find this is 4194. 4 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 1, 8, 1, 1, 2 plus 7, 9, 4 plus 2, 6, right? You can check it yourself, right? Okay, I'm grouping it out and see the another one, 6213 minus 5989. We'll do it very quickly because 3 minus 9 is 6 bar, 1 minus 8 is 7 bar, 2 minus 9 is 7 bar, 6 minus 5 is 1, devinculate 10 from 6, 4, 9 from 7, 2. When there is continuous, all from 9, last from 10, 4 minus 6 is 4, 10 minus 6 is 4, 9 minus 7 is 2, 9 minus 7 is 2, reduce this by 1, it becomes 0, answer is 224 and you will see the reduction 6213 minus 5989 is nothing but 224. Well, we've used this vinculated and then we've done it quickly without any carry number and all that. I'll do the next one. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1888 minus 5 minus 8 3 bar, 4 minus 8 4 bar, 3 minus 8 5 bar, 2 minus 1 1, 7 5 4, 1 finished. 4 5 7 is the answer. It's quick. No need of making it 15, then making it minus, then you have to carry number 8 plus 1 9, then taking all these things. It's all bigger sum. Here it's simply just write down negative bar numbers and then devinculate it. Well, we have seen the subtraction. Now let us see the multiplication. Multiplication. Application in multiplication. So we will apply it mostly in case of this addition, subtraction and multiplication and none else. In multiplication and wherever it is applicable. Rules for multiplication is this. First you will see the rules. The rule is if it is 1 into 2, you know that it's equal to 2. But if it is 1 into 2 bar, it becomes 2 bar. Because we know that 1 into minus 2 is minus 2. And if it is 1 bar into 2 bar, here it is minus minus plus, so 1 into 2 is 2. The negative, negative, it becomes positive, it's 2. And if it is 1 bar into 2, definitely is again 2 bar, right? So to follow this principle, so one thing you know this, because positive into positive is positive, positive into negative is negative, negative into negative is positive, and negative into positive also negative, right? So remember this for your multiplication. So we'll do now the case of multiplication. Let us multiply 389 into 2. Now remember one thing. I can multiplication through bar numbers. You see, wherever it is applicable, it is beneficial for us, we'll do that, but we are learning it now. It's not necessary that everywhere you have to convert it into bar number and then do it. In certain cases, we may have to do it when the number is very big, but at least we shall understand how to do it. Now here we are trying to see now converting this into bar numbers, not this. But we can do both the ways. We can convert both the numbers into bar numbers and then multiply it, or we can convert this into a bar number and keeping it as it is, and then you can find out the result. Both the way you can do. So what I am doing it now, we are converting only this multiplicand, not the multiplier. We are converting the multiplicand, not the multiplier. So convert first 389 to bar numbers. Vinculation, how to do it? 10 minus 9 is 1, 9 minus 8 is 1, and then increase it by 1, 4, 1, 1 bar into 2. Now see what happened, that bigger number of 8, 9 is reduced, now it has become 1, 1. So to write 2 bar, 4 into 2, 8. 1 into 2 bar, 1 into 2 bar, 8 bar, 8, 2, 2. Now we'll devinculate it. Devinculate 8 minus 2 is 8, 9 minus 2 is 7, and devinculation reduce it by 1, 7, 7, 8. And you will see the multiplication of 389 into 2 is at 9 into 2, 8, 18, 1, 8 into 2, 16 plus 1, 17, 7, 1, 3 to the 6 plus 1, 7. Actually this is the answer. But we have done it through vinculation. Why? To convert this, avoid this 8 and 9. We can do it, but the process you understand. Maybe at times you have to do it. If there is a bigger number and multiply it to it take a lot of time, but where it is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, it will become easier for us to do, right? Let us do 59 into 39. Here I am vinculating both the numbers, because this is also bigger, this is also bigger. So vinculating this into this becomes 6, 1 bar, 10 minus 9, 1, reduced by 6, into this has become 40 minus 1 means 4, 1 bar. Now 61 into 41, if you multiply, this will become 2301. We can just see it. And then you will see the rule of multiplication will be applied there. 61, 6, 1 bar, 4, 1 bar, multiply it. What happens? 1 bar into 1 bar is positive 1. Both the negatives are gone. 6 into 1 bar is 6 bar. Right? Let us take the normal process. We can do it even by vertical and crosswise. 4 into 1 bar is 4 bar. And 6 into 4 is normal 24. What's happening now? 1. 6 plus 4, 6 bar plus 4 bar is 10 bar. 10 bar means what? What will be doing? Write 0 here, 0 bar here, 1 bar here. Now 4 plus 1 bar means 4 minus 1, it's 3 and it's 2. And 0 bar, whether there is bar or not, it doesn't matter. The answer is 2301. And you multiply 59 to 39, you will find it is 2301. We can do it through vinculation, or we can do it normally, right? Whatever is convenient for us, right? And we can also use both the numbers vinculated or one side vinculated. Multiplicand, multiplier, both are vinculated, or only multiplier or multiplicand. 5889 into 4. Convert this only into a vinculated number. The vinculation here will become 1, 1, 1, 6 into 4. It becomes easier now. Now we'll make it 4. These are vinculated. 4, 4, 4, 24, vinculated. Now devinculate it. 10 minus 4, 6, 9 minus 4, 5, 9 minus 4, 5, reduce this 4 by 1, 3, answer is 2, 3, 5, 5, 6, which you can see by if you multiply this straight by 4, we can also get the same. Here we have converted into 1, 1, 1 to make it a little simpler. I hope you understand it. Well, here is the last example for you. 9888 into 2. Well, only this will be vinculated. So make it 2, make it 1, make it 1, make it 8 into 2. Vinculated. Right? Sorry. 8, 2, 9 minus 8, 1, 9 minus 8, 1, and 9 is increased to 10. It is increasing, not reduction. So sometimes it gets confused. 10, 1 on 2 into 8. Then what happens? 24, 2, 24, all vinculated. 10 into 2, 20. Now devinculated. 6 minus 4, 6. 9 minus 2, 7. 9 minus 2, 7. Reduce 1. 1, 9, 7, 7, 6. Right? So we have seen that how to really convert or to multiply a number by vinculating the number to make sometimes things easier, because multiplying it with 888 may be bigger, but if you multiply it with 112 it becomes easier, then you devinculate it, right? If say 2, it could have been 9 again, and that makes similar. If it is 9, then there is 112 and multiply by 9, it becomes easier, right? So what you have seen today, we have seen vinculation, devinculation and application of this thing, but now you have to take some exercise. That's most important, because if you have to practice it. Without practicing, nothing will happen. Exercise. Well, by using the vinculation concept, not otherwise. So what do you have to do it? Add. Exercise for addition 2, 1, 3, 7 plus 4, 2 bar, 4 bar and 3 bar. Not normal 3. This add this, then add 3, 1, 7, 2 and with 9 bar 2, 3 bar 5. Add these two numbers, right? Subtract. Five, 1, 2, 3, 6 minus 4, 9, 8, 2, 9. 8, 2, 3, 6, 8 minus 7, 9, 6, 7, 5 and 3, 4, 3, 3, 3 minus 2, 9, 8, 6, 7. Do this subtraction through vinculation, right? Not normal. Then through vinculation it will become easier and quicker to do. I'll give the examples for multiplication. Multiplication here, exercise for multiplication through vinculum. 89 into 91, 73 into 57. Here vinculate both the numbers. 135 into 12. Vinculate both. Multiplicand and the multiplier. But here I'll give you example of 89. 88 into 3. 78. 98 into 4. And 9929 into 8. Here vinculate the multiplicand only. Vinculate both. Here vinculate multiplicand, the left hand side only. Right? Now these are the examples which I've given you have to practice. Well, so what you have done today? We have seen the application of bar numbers of the vinculums to make our application, to make our operation simpler by reducing the digits from a bigger digit to a smaller digit. Right? I hope you'll practice all the exercises that I have given you again and again. The more you practice, you'll become more conversant with it and understand the things, really you'll understand the things properly. But if at all, if you do not understand anything, as I tell you always, that please do write in the comments box so that I can respond to your questions. And I'll be very happy to do that. Well, and now if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to do it. Hit the bell icon and please share it with others so that others can also get the benefit of learning Vedic mathematics. So now what we are going to do next? What's our next session? And probably next session is our last session, right? And in the last session, what are we going to do? So far we have done many mathematical operations and problems and exercises. Is there some time to change now? As I always do, we'll have some magic sessions. Magic session in the means some special mathematical applications that you will see, right? Certain things which are mysterious, certain things which are very interesting in mathematics. So math magic we are going to do in our next session, right? So till the time we meet you again with my next session, all the best. Please take care of yourself.